There's a cool feature in Follow Boss where you can reorder the widgets in your people screen, and it's pretty handy. And I think a lot of people don't know about it. So if you're in a contact record, and this works individually for each account. So if you reorder yours, you won't be affecting anyone else's account. So you can organize yours however you like. So you can see that some of these items over here have this little caret. And if you click that, it'll actually also collapse those fields. So if you want to keep this cleaner and not see certain things, you can collapse them. And again, this will work throughout your account. So as you go to other leads, it'll stay that way. Typically, you're going to want details and background to be pretty visible, but you can collapse them. You can also move them around. So you can click on this if you want background up at the top, if you want your custom fields closer up or further down. Usually relationships you'll want to have up, closer to the initial contacts information, but you can move these around in your account on both sides. So here on the left-hand side, you can move these. Again, you can collapse them if it's not something you use frequently. And same on the right-hand side. I think having activity at the top is smart. If people have recent activity, you're going to want to see that. Tasks and appointments at the top are certainly handy. Again, if you're not using files, you can actually collapse that. Deals is certainly good to see. You might want to move that up. If you're using collaborators, that could be handy. Same with action plans. So you can actually move these around to really suit your own style of working. But a really helpful tip, again, it stays throughout your account. So as you go to other leads, it's going to look the same way. And each agent on the same Follow Boss account can organize their contact record in this way, however they like it, and it won't affect anyone else's account.